Hey guys, this is Sam from How to Master. This is my new YouTube channel, and I wanna promise you guys that one day you will thank me for making this YouTube channel. To be honest, I've been seeing so many people online, or let's say YouTubers, who've been making videos on YouTube promising many of you that they could help you earn money and succeed in your life and be successful. But I promise you guys, what you guys will learn from my knowledge, my experience, is beyond inspirational. First of all, please forgive me about my accent. I know that I have an accent. What you guys will learn is everything on YouTube optimization, Google SEO, how to create websites from scratch, how to make money from your website, how to link your website with affiliate marketing, how to earn from affiliate marketing, how to edit your YouTube videos, how to earn from trading cryptocurrencies. And I promise you guys that all of them will make you rich one day. Okay, I even own a digital marketing agency. Okay, and this is my side job, working online. So please just be patient, and you guys will learn so much. As I told you guys, please be patient on my accent. Anyways guys, let me show you a few proofs that I have been making money online, and I make money every month from affiliate marketing, my own e-commerce website, and my YouTube channel, and even cryptocurrencies. So please guys, please, I'm not gonna promise you the promises that everybody is actually promising online, because most of them, to be honest, they don't even know what they're doing. They actually don't know what they're doing. So this is the main reason why I said, well, maybe it's time for me to make this YouTube channel, and I promise you guys that one day you're really gonna thank me. I promise you guys, one day you will thank me for making this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start with some proofs that I'm working on, and I'm still working on many other projects. I have a YouTube channel that it's about mysterious, videos and stuff like that, which is I created back in 2016, and this is my monthly earning from it. As you guys can see, I'm earning kind of good. I earn between $3,000 to $4,000 every month, except when it's Christmas, on holidays. The ads will be worth, or you could earn more than that. But anyways, I'm almost making 1,500,000 views a month, maybe more sometimes. And my channel is doing better right now, and even my subscribers are being more and more. But anyways, this is not the main reason why I'm showing you this analysis. I'm showing you this because I want to let you know that you guys will learn how to master YouTube SEO, which is the monetization of YouTube, how to monetize your YouTube channel, and how to optimize your YouTube channel, which is search engine optimization on YouTube. Okay, and I'll show you how to rank your let's say your website on Google, and how to make money online, basically. So this is the first step. The first step in my second video will be about YouTube channel. Okay, how to make a YouTube channel. Then from there we will start learning how to optimize our YouTube channel. Okay, and the other thing that I want to tell you about is how to create a website, or create websites. So many of you guys are actually interested in just making, let's say, videos or making websites for business owners, but you have to know that you could even make websites and start earning from it, which is one of the main reasons I wanna talk about with my new videos, or the next video that I will be uploading. Other than that, I want to show you that this is one of the websites that I have. This is my website, and this is an e-commerce website. All these products, as you guys could see, are actually affiliate products. They're not actually my products. Some of them are my products, but most of them are not. Okay, so I'm earning a lot out of this website. I'm also earning so much out of this cryptocurrency account, and I have, trust me guys, I have like 4 other accounts just like this one. So I'm earning from different companies. So for the people who are interested in cryptocurrencies, I will be showing you guys how to make money out of cryptocurrencies and how to master cryptocurrencies trading. Okay, so please guys, stay tuned with my new videos. I'll be talking about many things. I'll be teaching you so many things that will benefit you for the rest of your life. I promise you guys that you will thank me for those videos. Okay, so please don't forget, if there is anything that you guys wish to know about, I could definitely help. I'll also teach you how to be an affiliate marketer for so many companies such as ClickBank and so on. So bottom line, I'm going to teach you how to make money online, and teach you the things that actually the other YouTubers don't want to teach you. Just as simple as that. Because many of them are actually looking to make money online on their own, and they want to benefit from you guys. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there is anything that I can help or anything that you guys want to learn about, leave that in the comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. See you soon. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.